Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, but if this is my first time meeting you, my name is Kimia. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're doing a get ready with me for my 25th birthday, which is this makeup look. So if you guys want to see this makeup look, then keep on watching this video. I'm slightly nervous. It might also be because I had 2 coffees, but we'll see how this goes. I hope it goes well. I'm gonna start off with this Mercier moisturizer. I find for me and my skin, I get certain dry patches, especially in the fall and winter, and it just creates such a beautiful base for your skin to shine through. I'm gonna do some of this and put it in my palm. And then I use some of these Clarins glow drops, and they just kind of add a tan to your face, but they also are incredibly glowy. I just do 2 drops in my hand and then I mix it together. And you gotta wash your hands after this, but for the sake of not getting up, I will not wash my hands. Put it all over your hands, and I just like to press it into my face. I like to do this if I'm doing a full glam look, which isn't often. I let that sit in my face and it already feels so much better. I will then go in with primer. I love this Hourglass primer. It's one of my favorite primers ever, and I don't have a mirror, so bear with me. Let's see how this goes. I like to put it on my cheeks, under my eyes. Just kind of imagining what this is gonna look like, but I will take a look in the mirror too. Take some on my hand, do some more. I'm gonna go in with this foundation, which is my tanned color foundation. It's the shade Vanatu, and I literally apply it to my face like an idiot. I feel like this is like every makeup artist's nightmare. But I don't know, I'm not a makeup artist. This is just what I like to do. I like to go in with this brush, one of my favorite brushes again ever. I use it all the time, and just stipple it on. And it's like face painting. It's so nice and therapeutic, and you see the colors matching, which is great, but you can't miss a spot. So I'm gonna close my mouth and go over my lips. And don't miss your ear. Gotta apply it on your ear and blend it on there as well, because then it just looks really weird, especially in photos. And I typically put my hair behind my ears, and I don't want to have like pale ears and then a tan or like orangey face. Hopefully not orange, but I am not where I thought I would be at 25, but I'm very much happier than I was when I was younger. In terms of like where I'm heading in my life and things working out. You just kind of have to, you know, tell the universe what you want, and then work very, very hard and just go after your dreams, you guys. A little pep talk. I think with every year I turn a little bit more into the person that I want to be, and just grow, because that's all you can really do in a whole year is you can just grow. It'd be bad if you kind of revert and, you know, turn into a shitty person as you get older. I don't want to be sad on my birthdays, because sometimes I am very sad and you get the birthday blues and you're like, why is my life like this? I can't believe this year is like this, or blah, blah, blah. Okay, I think we are good for the foundation. Still use the same concealer shade even if I have a bit of a tan. This is the NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. Such an amazing concealer, absolute favorite for the longest time. And I like to make like a little triangle in the front. I mean, there's really no way that I actually do this. I think I just say I like to make a triangle because I know I'm filming a YouTube video right now. For concealer, I like to use my fingers. I feel like I have better control that way, so I will just pat it in. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Carry it on my nose, and where I put it on my chin dimple, just to kind of make the light shine on it so it doesn't look as obvious. I typically don't wear powder on my face, but if I'm doing a makeup look that I want to stay longer for the night, and if I'm taking photos or anything like that, especially if it's like a more glam look, but day to day I don't wear powder. So since I'm planning on taking photos and having makeup for the night, I will kind of bake a little bit. This is the Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder. I'm pretty sure it's discontinued, but it is the powder that I have. So I just go in with their little like applicator pad. I'll press it under my eyes because concealer just comes off so quickly in my opinion. By the time I'm done my entire face, I feel like the concealer is kind of evaporated. So this is just my way of setting it in place and making sure it doesn't budge until I am done with the whole look. And don't you worry, this will be very glowy because I love a glowy look any time of the year. I think I'm really hungry and I want to take a bagel break. I'll be right back. Pardon the interruption. I just really wanted a bagel and I'm so happy that it's in my body now, and I feel like it just feels so much better to be filming with a bagel in your body than without a bagel in your body. So I had to actually repurchase this because I finished my old one. This is one of the best contour products ever. Not bronzer, but contour. This really just gives you that like cheekbone look. Sometimes I over apply it just cause like I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit out. Oh, you see that? I don't know if you saw that, but I'm gonna go like this. It's really just like the perfect face painting product. And I like to do my nose. Make that contour. You guys, I'm still shaking. Like I've had 4 espresso shots today. I definitely over apply this, but like I'm okay with it. Then going with the same brush that I've been using for everything, I will just blend it all out. I like that this has a cooler look because my other bronzers are all warm and they're bronzers. They're more tailored towards just like glowing you up. Whereas this one is definitely a contour. It's just used for kind of creating the lines on your face and the depth that contour gives you. But this thing just blends like a dream. Do you see that? Like that was on my face for more than 1 minute and it's still just blending so beautifully. Seriously, nothing gives you the same defined but very natural and perfect contour than this product. It's just my go-to. Another reason I really love this is you can actually build on it. So I'm going in for one more layer on my cheekbones. I think that's kind of uneven, but that's okay. And just gonna blend that out again, but it still looks natural, and I think that's because it is a cream product, and truly the formula of this is just, it's unbelievable. I can go on about this forever. It's just like the secret contour that just does the best job ever. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm gonna do what I always do, just kind of like brush them up, make them a little neater, and then I will look closely in this because I'm very visually impaired. I'm gonna start with the end because they are a little bit more sparse, and the shape is just kind of the same all the time. I wanna kind of draw it further out, just to give my eyes a little bit more shape, I guess, make it look a little wider, or longer. I want it to look like snatched, but I can't really get that look. I have kind of like rounder eyes, and I feel like you need to have a different eye shape to get that kind of look. I'm so blind, I have to apply makeup like this. Like I can't see anything otherwise. So I am just gonna do that. Please bear with me. I'm pressing hard enough to add color, but I'm not drawing it on, and I think that makes a difference in how your final eyebrow comes out. But it could all just be pretend. And I can always tell my eyebrows aren't even when I look up, and I can see like this one's a little bit fuller on the top than this one, but I think that's okay. Like I don't really want to tweeze it or shape the front of this. I'll just kind of make it look similar via makeup. I feel like some people straight up just exited my video and were like, I can't believe that you don't want your eyebrows to match. To finish off the eyebrows, I will go in with this Arc Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. And I'm not gonna lie, I wish I got the clear one because this is a colored brow gel. Amazing quality. My eyebrows stay the same until I take them off at the end of the night, but it does kind of give off some color to my face, which I don't like. Regardless, I think that it's amazing formula. Like this, I always get it on my face and then I have to go like that. It's not a huge deal, but it's just one extra step. I'm kind of lazy, I don't wanna have to take the extra step. But man, this definitely floofs up your brows. I love what it does, but I think I am going to get the clear one next time, just so it doesn't require me to kind of clean it up around. Now we can move on to the eyes. First, we gotta prime the lid. So just gonna use this NARS eye primer, and I have this colored one because it doubles as kind of like a concealer on my lid, and it evens out the skin tone. And this is crucial. You cannot skip this step. The eyeshadow that I'm so excited to be using is this new palette that I got for my birthday. This is the Bella Sophia palette by Charlotte Tilbury. I just fell so in love with these colors. I have wanted one of her palettes for so long, but they're all so beautiful. I always had a hard time choosing, but this was just truly the palette of my dreams. I love these warmer colors. This is what the palette looks like. Just incredibly beautiful colors. I'm so excited to use this. I'm gonna go in with this shade and apply it all over my lids to have a nice kind of neutral start to the look. Also, excuse me, I'm gonna say Luke a lot. So my plans for my birthday are I'm gonna go for dinner with the BF, and I'm really excited to do that. And also we're gonna take pictures because I love doing that too, like have kind of a photo shoot. I've got this gorgeous Jacquemus dress that I think is just such a unique, beautiful piece that I will love having in terms of like a clothing collection and just seeing that in my wardrobe. Every year for my birthday I wear a dress, and this year I'm wearing a blazer dress, so I'm actually really stoked to do that. After this, I'm gonna apply this all over the lid, starting from the midsection. So gotta tap off the excess. When I first started getting into makeup tutorials, I think I was like 12, and I did not know why they would tap off the makeup. Like, I just thought they liked doing this. I didn't understand it. And then I got older and I realized, oh yeah, you're just tapping off the excess because there's so much product that goes on your brush that if you just directly apply it, it makes no sense. Did any of you guys feel the same way, or did you all just like know that people were tapping off the excess? I always do it just because that's the best way to get a consistent look on both eyes. Okay, as you can see, I'm only going in from the center of the eye, and I must say I already really like this look. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now I'm gonna go into the crease. I'm gonna use this beautiful brown color. Oh, I'm in love with this. You guys, my sweatpants I think are the same color. I'm gonna use a blending brush and swirl that around, tap off the excess, and then wish me luck. Hope they're even. Ooh, baby girl move. I am in love. Beautiful. So we've done the crease, and then I'm gonna go in with this final color and just like tap it on a little bit. And I'm just gonna do the ends because I want it to be a little like ombre dramatic kind of effect. Not so much that it takes over the crease color, because honestly the crease color is everything to me, and I don't want to change that. Just love a warm brown, truly. And the blazer dress that I'm wearing is navy, and I think brown and navy are such a beautiful classic combination. I think having a brown makeup look with a navy dress, it's just like a little unexpected, but also it works really well. Now I'm just gonna use the same brush and just sweep it and blend it all out because I don't like that harsh line. Then using this Fenty liner in Puppy Eyes, I'm gonna go into the lower lash line and kind of extend it out to the top of the eye. Looks like I'm gonna make a little wing as well. And I'm not pressing very hard, but this is actually such a great product because it comes out without you even trying, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm kind of extending my lower lash line up to the top, and it's creating this slight wing for me. So really, we want products that do the work for us. Then using this smudge brush, I am just gonna go over exactly what I did to blend it out a bit because I don't want it to be as dark as it is. And this way it looks more intentional. I'm going to use the same smudge brush and use this darker color and just apply it to the ends a little bit like a wing, but I just think it's going to make the look come together a little bit more. Next, I'm going to line my upper lash line with this amazing Pat McGrath eyeliner that's a very dark brown, which I absolutely love. I'm gonna carry it to the front. Then I'm gonna go in with this brown eyeliner by Marc Jacobs, and I will just press it onto my lash line. So I want my lashes to look thick and dark, but mostly focus on the outer. After I've done the outside, I will slowly move into the inside of the eye. I feel like as long as it doesn't look super messy or super thick, I am a happy girl. I'm actually gonna make it a little bit darker in the ends. Next, using this brush, I will go in again with this crease color, and I just want a little bit, but I do want to tie the top of the lash to the lower lash and make it kind of a seamless color story. So I think this is pretty good for the eyes. I'm gonna go in with the scary tool. This is the Tarte eyelash curler. Something new is gonna happen. I'm going to apply some false lashes. I don't think I've applied false lashes since I think it was for my 19th birthday. That was the last time I had false lashes ever. I got this Ardell individual lashes as well as this duo glue. And I think I'm only gonna apply 2 to the ends of my eyelashes, but I'm gonna go look in the mirror because this is not something I can attempt in front of the camera. So I'll be right back. I'm ready for some mascara. I'm gonna use this Pat McGrath black mascara. Guys, I'm so scared these false lashes will like fall off, because I don't know how people apply them, but they look so bomb when people do. I just can't do it. It's just not, it's not fire, if you will, whenever I do it, but we are trying. All right, success with one eye. Now for the next. Moving on to the cheeks. I had a hard time choosing what I wanted to do, but since I'm gonna do a nudie brown lip, I'm gonna go in with this blush. This is the Radiant Bronze Light Blush / Bronzer from Hourglass, and oh my God, love. So I'm gonna apply it to my cheeks, and I'm actually just gonna go ham with the blush. I just like the entire look being very bronzy and in the same kind of brown glowy family, but I will over apply the blush. So this is something that I'm not just applying like one coat. As you can see, I've gone in multiple times, reapplying it and making it really just like, hey, I'm wearing blush on my face. And then I also like to put some on my nose. This is just something that, it's from the 90s, and it really makes your makeup look, it looks better overall. Like I just feel like your whole face looks more consistent and cohesive. Really focusing on the apple of the cheek, because then it makes kind of like an ombre cheek effect. Using a cotton pad, I will wipe off all the makeup that's on the lip. So I'm gonna apply this Marc Jacobs incredible lip liner. This is amazing stuff. This is my second one. So I'm just gonna line my lips. Oh, I didn't mention, this is called Nudist, and it's the best nude liner ever. I like to go a little bit under the lower lip because I have a fuller lower lip, and it just creates a nice like shadow that makes my lips look fuller. And for the Cupid's bow, I like to go a little bit above, just because it makes my lips look fuller. And then for lipstick, I'm using my favorite lipstick ever. This is the Marc Jacobs Dream Girl lipstick. It's gorgeous. Oh, I cannot wait to put this on. I will be quiet now. It has the best texture, and it has a little bit of sheen, and it's just literally the lipstick of my dreams. Honestly, I can't top this lipstick. It also smells so good. Last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow palette, and I will just apply a little bit more bronzer, just slightly, because we wanna be real glowy. Carry it onto the neck, and I sometimes carry it onto my chest as well. And then with the same brush, I'm gonna use a little bit of highlight, just slightly pat it on. Go like that. And the last thing I'll do is apply some setting spray. This is the All Nighter Spray, again by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna quickly change and show you guys my birthday look. Close-up of the look. Closing my eyes, this feels weird, but this is the full makeup look. Okay, I have changed into a woman. Also, I've changed into my birthday look, and that's it for this makeup. And if you're interested, my Instagram is It's Kimia. But until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.